guys, and welcome back to my channel. I love pineapples. First off, I love pineapples, and this has nothing to do with the video, but I found this drink dispenser for $14.99 at Home Goods, and I just had to share it. It's a pineapple shape, it's glass, and it was only 15 bucks. I just had to share that. Today I am going to show you all how I style my shelves right here next to my TV. And this wallpaper I actually did, it's removable wallpaper because I rent, so I use removable wallpaper, and I just want to show you guys how I did it, or how I style it. First I'm gonna put my books up, and these are just 3 books. My living room is decorated in green and gold and pink, so these books match that. Can you see them? There we go. I'm going to put these on the first shelf, and I already have my DVD player here set up. These ones I think I want to go on the top shelf, and let me show you what books they are. Put those on the top shelf there. And I got these gorgeous bookends from Home Goods. How cool are those? I'm actually gonna put this set of 3 books . And this one in the middle is just a notebook, but it's pretty, so I wanted to go up there as a book. There we go. I'm just going to put them in between the bookends there. And then this book right here is a book of my poems that I've written, and maybe one day I'll recite one on here on my channel, but for now I'm just going to decorate my bookshelf. Next, I'm going to move on to some pictures that I have. Now, these pictures I just found online and printed out and put in. They're actually in Dollar Tree picture frames. I just spray painted them gold. So if you find some pictures online that you really like but you can't really afford them, I just printed these out from online. So it's pretty easy. This is a picture of my grandma when she was 21. My granny. I got this on my shelf up here. And I have a really big family. This is all of my mom. This is all of my parents' kids. So my brothers and sisters. It's a lot of us. Then I got this little green box that I keep my incense and my lighter and stuff and any junk in my living room in. I got this green bowl. I'm thinking I'm gonna find some potpourri or something to go in here, just so it's not empty, an empty bowl. But for now, it's empty. And I'm just gonna set that there. Now this candle holder I got at Home Goods for I think $6 or $7. Nope, it was $5. I got it for $5. And it's really pretty. Up there. Then this vase. I think I found this at a secondhand store, and then I just put some Dollar Tree flowers in it. And then I got this little green alarm clock. Yeah, I think it tells right now. I'm gonna put up here. And I put that there because so it's diagonal from the green box that I put up here. And then up here I'm gonna make pink, just so it's diagonal and it's not going straight up and down. Now this little plant fell off of another plant, and I just put it in this little Dollar Tree vase and spray painted it gold. Next to my family picture. And I got this little bird candle holder. I'm gonna put it right there. And then this is actually a perfume bottle, but it's so cute, so I'm gonna use it as a decoration because it's so cute and I don't want to get rid of it. And then this little tiger that I spray painted gold, I got it from the Dollar Tree and spray painted it gold. I'm gonna put that there. And that's just how I style my bookshelf. Oh, I forgot to mention these two baskets at the top. These two baskets I actually got from the Dollar Tree and spray painted gold, and that's just a candle holder in the middle with my high school diploma. And there's that first picture there and my granny.